everyone, this is Joy from Algonquin College again, and I'm so happy to be back in Bangkok today and love to share the information of the college to you. At this time of the year, I am happy to say that you will have an option for more than 70 programs eligible for postgraduate work permit at Algonquin College, and together with 70 PGWP eligible programs, you will have 130 programs to choose from. Regarding it's in non-PGWP, but it's still a good background for you to study in Canada and at Algonquin College. And right now, we are the only public English-speaking college in the capital of Canada. Being here, you will have the opportunity to immerse yourself into a great learning environment, a huge, warm, welcoming community, and the vibe of internationalization here. In Bangkok, if you are interested in Algonquin College, please, you can contact Pacific Premier, our trustworthy agent partner for years in this region, and they will support you to get used to the application, visa support, and arrival. Welcome to Ottawa. Welcome to Pacific Premier.